It's a challenging market out there right now for buyers and sellers. Here's a very important question. If you, as a buyer, submit an offer to purchase a home, a purchase agreement, which is subsequently accepted, and you change your mind and you do not pay the deposit, is that contract still binding? Are you still on the hook to purchase that property? Hi, my name is Gerry Chopik, and I'm with At Home Realty, Canada's largest independent brokerage with over 5,000 agents in the GTA. I love being a realtor and I love helping people achieve their dreams. If you've got a question about the market, feel free to give me a call at any time. Now let's consider the recent ruling by the Ontario Superior Court in September of 2022. In the hot market of 2021, when unconditional offers were seemingly the only way you would have a chance of purchasing a property, Miss J. Perry submitted an unconditional offer to purchase a property in Collingwood from Doug Pollard for $1,050,000. It was listed at $950,000. Pollard only had one other offer at the time, at $950,000. So $100,000 more, he accepted Perry's offer. So next day, sober second thought, I guess, perhaps, Perry changed her mind. She did not want to pay the price that she initially offered. She wanted a price reduction of $100,000. She asked for an amendment to make the original unconditional offer conditional upon financing, and she asked for an extension on closing. Pollard said, no thank you, and opted to stick with the original agreement. Perry elected to not pay the deposit, which in Pollard's opinion put her in default for the signed contract. In Perry's mind, she hadn't completed the agreement and did not give a contract commitment with a deposit. Pollard had no choice but put the property back on the market, first at $1,100,000, and then he reduced it to $995,000. Well, after 2 months, the property resold for $910,000. The market had fallen. A significant $140,000 reduction in the price that Perry had originally contracted to pay. That's a huge loss for a seller. Well, Pollard took the case to court, and Perry did not deny liability in breaching the contract, but she argued that she disclosed virtually immediately her inability to close a transaction, and that in her opinion, Pollard could have mitigated his loss by keeping the property on the market longer and by not accepting such a low offer. Well, after hearing all the arguments, the judge found that Pollard was entitled to the shortfall from the original sale price that Perry had agreed to. Basically, Perry was in breach of contract. Pollard was awarded damages of $140,866.11, plus another $20,000 for additional costs. A very expensive lesson for buyer Perry, who had changed her mind and decided not to follow through on a signed agreement that had been accepted. So, 3 key takeaways here. Once a home purchase agreement is signed and submitted, it is legally binding whether or not a deposit is paid. 2, offering beyond the asking price is also risky, and as this case proves, the Superior Court has made it clear that a buyer breaching the terms of a home purchase contract can be held liable for all financial losses incurred by the seller. Buyer's remorse can be very expensive. Lastly, submitting an unconditional offer can also be very risky for this reason, and for many others not covered here. It's important that you understand exactly what comprises an unconditional offer. What does it mean? What are the implications for you? Where might you be held liable? It's really important to work with an experienced, seasoned professional. To summarize in one line, do not sign anything that you are not 100% prepared to follow through on, deposit provided or not. Got a question about the West GTA to Hamilton area real estate market? Drop me a note or call me on my direct line. As always, no commitment or obligation whatsoever, and there are no dumb questions. I've had plenty of dumb questions of my own over the years, so have yourself a great day.